Greetings and welcome to week 11 of Intro to Addictions. If you're also in the Intro to Law Enforcement class, go grab a cup real fast because you've heard this part of the introduction already. But being in week 11, we are getting close to the end of this semester. People are looking ahead to next semester. The catalogs are out. The courses are offered and discussed. We're offering two courses online, two online justice courses next semester. If you're a justice major, or if you've just enjoyed this class, which I know I have. This is really exceeded my wildest expectations. This has been a really good class. Thank you. And if you're interested in poking around in some other topics, we've got two classes next semester. We've got a community policing class, and we have one on rural justice in Alaska, which is going to focus heavy on our rural areas, our villages, our tribal courts, our tribal departments, our VPSO program, how you work in a state with your closest backup being 2 or 3 days away, depending on weather. So, two neat classes, I hope. I welcome all of you. I would love to see all of you in one of those two classes or both, because you have just been outstanding here. Anyway, week 11, we are in hallucinogens. Back in my era, back when dinosaurs roamed the earth, hallucinogens, of course, meant LSD or acid, and blacklight posters, and late 60s psychedelic rock, and all kinds of good things, which don't seem quite as relevant anymore now. We've been through the peyote wars. That was big in my era. You know, a lot of court decisions on whether or not this hallucinogen could be used for Native America religious purposes, how to keep it out of the hands of everybody else. I've offered you this week in the discussion board, I'm offering you a hallucinogen you might not have heard of before. Its status in Alaska at the moment, it's a legal substance. Legislation has been offered several times to make it illegal. It's illegal in many states. It's legal in some. I'm giving you a website to go check out. It's a very positive website where they discuss this particular hallucinogen as a friendly, mind-altering, medical use herb or something along those lines. Anyway, it's a very this is a great substance web page. And I've also offered you web pages on the Alaska legislation that's been offered on making this illegal. So look at those two things, do your own research, read the chapter in the text, and tell me, or discuss, actually, that's the discussion this week. Should we make this substance illegal? And I'm walking around it a lot because I want you to be introduced to it off the websites. So that's our discussion this week. In our other friendly little book, The Fix, I'm thinking next time I might have to go through and move the chapters around some because the chapters in The Fix oftentimes seem to be just a week or two off of what we just discussed. This week in The Fix is prescription drugs, which would have gone more with our chat last week. But if nothing else, it keeps the topic alive for another week. So The Fix is prescription drugs. Your textbook is hallucinogens. Your discussion is, do we or don't we make one more possibly friendly, possibly unfriendly substance illegal? I will see you in class. Have fun.